If your iPhone 17 Pro Max screen won't rotate, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to enable screen auto rotate in just a few seconds. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Over here, look for the Portrait Orientation Lock icon. It looks like a padlock inside a circular arrow. If the icon is highlighted in red and white, that means Screen Rotation Lock is turned on. Go ahead and tap the icon once. The icon changes to gray, which means Auto Rotate is now enabled. Now, rotate your iPhone sideways. If the app supports landscape mode, the screen automatically rotates. If the icon is already gray when you open Control Center, Auto Rotate is already enabled. If you tap it again, it turns red, which locks your screen in portrait mode and prevents it from rotating. Keep in mind that not every app supports landscape mode. Apps like Settings and some social media apps may stay in portrait even when auto rotate is enabled. To test whether it's working, open Safari, Photos, or the Videos app, then rotate your iPhone sideways. That's it. Your iPhone 17 Pro Max should now rotate the screen automatically whenever you turn your device. If your screen still doesn't rotate after enabling Auto Rotate, let me know your iPhone model and iOS version in the comments below, and I'll help you troubleshoot the problem. Please like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.